Okay, we're inside my camper, and my Dometic rooftop air conditioner, I noticed wasn't working so good this past year. Well, in the winter time, I kind of want a little extra heat without having to use the gas heat, so I installed the Dometic backup electric heat system, which worked really good. Really happy with it. But while I was installing it, I noticed that the divider, which separates the intake from return, or I'm sorry, return from supply, was out of place. It wasn't sitting straight up here like it's supposed to. So I went to put it back in place, and when I did, I noticed also big gaping holes in this side where they had taped this up and sealed off the roof cavity, and it all came loose. So I'm attempting to seal all this back. Okay, so the repair's done. You'll notice they used a regular foil tape. On the rest of this area, it's very thin, easily broke. What I put in was a mastic tape, much more thicker, sturdier, heavier. It'll hold up a lot better. So the repair is actually complete. I'm going to go back over with some nice foil tape and make it look a little better too, a little more presentable. And my repair is complete. I'll just put another layer of the foil tape on top of the mastic, tied everything in really good. Good solid repair. The best piece of advice I can give anybody working with mastic or foil tape is use a squeegee to rub your tape down and seal everything really good. It works very good. The tape is pressure sensitive, so you want to push on it a little bit. Don't do it with your fingers, because this stuff is very thin foil. It will cut you really, really bad. So worse than any paper cut or anything else you think might be about the same. So anyhow, that's taken care of, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so installation or reassembly is almost done. You can see up inside here we got the sides sealed off good. The divider plate is in place as it wasn't before. See on this side too, everything's nice. Sealed up the way it should be. I've already ran the fan, and it's amazing what a difference it's made. And the air that actually comes out this side now, instead of just buffering back and forth between